Hello and welcome to the MSU Assessment Channel. This is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team within the Office of Institutional Effectiveness at Murray State University. We're launching brief, step-by-step video tutorials about the SPOL assessment platform, along with informational videos covering assessment best practices and key concepts. Our aim is to guide and assist you in successfully completing your annual assessment plans and reports with ease and confidence. In this first video, we'll kick things off by showing you how to log into the SPOL system. It's a simple process, but it's the first step towards unlocking all the features that SPOL has to offer. Let's get started and log in to SPOL together. SPOL is an acronym for Strategic Planning Online LLC, which is a web-based platform that we use as our assessment management system at Murray State. To access your SPOL account, go ahead and open the browser of your choice and log in to your MyGate account. Once logged in, click the Employee tab on the upper left corner of the page. Within the Employee tab, search for the Bookmarks plus Employee section. Scroll all the way down and click on the SPOL Assessment Platform link. And there you have it. You just logged into your SPOL account. If you want to see more of our videos, feel free to explore our channel or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu. To stay updated with our latest tutorials and guides, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Lastly, don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and go Racers!